Downloading Ubisoft Connect is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to go to the Ubisoft official page, which is ubisoft.com. And once you're on the page, you're going to see this button here that says download Ubisoft Connect. Once you click on it, you're going to get the downloading prompt, and it's going to come as downloading. Going to download onto your computer. Now once it's downloaded, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the game, and you're going to ensure that the exe file, the executable file that you just downloaded, you're going to right click on it, and you're going to ensure that you run as admin. Now once you run it as admin, it's going to install onto your laptop or your computer. And once that's done, you're going to be asked to sign in. It's going to pop up here. You're going to sign in, and once you're signed in, your username and your display icon should be displayed here. If you do not have an account, you're going to have to create an account and then log in, and you'll be able to access a plethora of games. Now that is how to download Ubisoft Connect on your computer. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.